In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set, track, and achieve goals with Asana AI. Let's dive right in. First, you want to navigate to the Goals section in your Asana sidebar. Once you're there, go ahead and click to create a new goal. This is where you'll lay the groundwork for your objective by entering a basic title and description. It's important to start with something straightforward. You're essentially sketching out the overarching aim of your project or what you'd like to achieve. Now here's where the magic of Asana AI comes into play. Look for options like See Improvements or Draft with AI. By choosing this, Asana's AI will dive deep into your draft and offer valuable suggestions. You might see proposals for refining your title, making it more specific and outcome-focused. This is vital because a clear and detailed title sets a strong direction for both you and your team. Another great aspect of using AI in Asana is its ability to suggest success criteria. For instance, it might propose changing a vague goal like increase sales to something more quantifiable, such as increase Q3 sales by 15%. This sort of clarity not only motivates, but also gives you a clear metric to gauge progress. But that's not all. The AI can also help by suggesting sub-goals. These are smaller, more manageable objectives that break down the overarching goal into achievable parts. This step is crucial as it prevents your team from feeling overwhelmed and ensures steady progress towards the main objective. Moreover, the AI doesn't stop at just restructuring your goal. It can recommend accountability measures. This might include highlighting an accountable owner and a team responsible for the goal's completion. Delegating tasks with clear accountability helps streamline the process, ensuring that everyone knows their responsibilities and timelines. Once you've reviewed and considered the AI's suggestions, it's time to finalize your goal. Scan through the proposed edits and make any desired changes to tailor the goal to your unique needs. This is your chance to infuse any personal insights or additional context that might not have been covered by the AI. Finally, be sure to save the final goal. This marks the start of your journey towards achieving it. By implementing these steps with the help of Asana AI, you're setting yourself up for a more organized, structured, and ultimately successful project. Remember, the AI is there to enhance your planning process, but your insights and leadership will push the goals to completion. Happy goal setting, and I hope you find these tools as empowering as I do. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.